Check out this cute and easy card that I made using the Pets and More stamp set that you can find in our online exclusives. This is a new set, and it has a little dog and a cat and a bunny and a couple other animals, and it's just super cute and really easy to use. I didn't even color in the animals here. I just stamped them in different ink pads, and look how cute they are. So I just stamp them on on little strips of paper, and I will have all the measurements and all the details and close-up pictures on my website. You can go to madetocreatewithlisa.com, and then that way you can try out this layout yourself. I think it would be cute with any of the animals, and I also think it would be cute with lots of different colors of ink pads. Maybe do them in spring colors for spring. Maybe I'll have to try that out later this week. So see how we're just going to put the strips on there and then just put a little tag. Now that tag is another one of our new online exclusive stamp sets. It's called Comforting Thoughts, and it has some really, really sweet sentiments in it. Like for sympathy or someone going through a really hard time. I really, really love that stamp set. So we'll just add that on and the card will be done. Again, you can hop over to my website for details, and thank you so much for following along. I'd love for you to go to my website and check out all of the new online exclusives. There are so many great new products in there, and you just go to my website, and there's a direct link to my Stampin' Up website on there too. Thanks again. Have a wonderful day. Talk to you again soon.